Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe wherever you are watching this video, you are watching it in different time zone, whether it's in the morning, whether it's in the afternoon, whether it's in the evening. I hope you get the information that you need for you to be capitalize on your tradings. Ladies and gentlemen, today's video we're gonna start with NASDAQ100. As usually I'm doing NASDAQ 100 lately. This is our instrument and I'm on daily time frame. Reason why I'm on a daily time frame today, I started with daily time frame. I want you guys to witness excuse me, I want you guys to see something that I saw while I was trading. Ladies and gentlemen, on daily time frame we can witness that the chart, the price, the market has been giving us this type of structure where you see previously it was bullish and broke out of the structure to push towards the downside, and the price tried to come back or to recover, but still we push towards the downside. I want you guys to witness something. As you can see, the price was making this type of structure while we were trading. There's something that we have to remember. When we are trading, we are always following, we make sure that we check our patterns or we follow certain type of patterns to trade. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to see this. This is what I saw. Actually, this is my left shoulder, the head, and look at this. I'm about to give you the your second shoulder now, which is the right shoulder. So we'll just have to wait and see if the price will come towards or to reach this level right here. I hope this is very clear to you guys. I hope this is very clear. This could be our neckline. As you can see, the price has been pushing towards the downside. Oh, look what I'm making there now. This could be our neckline. As you can see, the price has been pushing towards the downside lately. If you don't want to see it in this type of direction, if you don't believe your head and shoulder should be skew, like, you can also do it in this type of manner. Let me show you something, and then that is very important for you to be aware of. I want you guys to be aware of this type of pattern so that tomorrow you won't say the traders don't give you the right signals or information. They don't share the right information with you. This is our left shoulder. I hope it's visible to you guys. And still our head, look at this. If it's happening, look at this, and this is about to be our right shoulder. Does it make sense now? If it makes sense, I hope you will know or believe that this is your neckline, this area right here. And as you see, the price is currently here making that small consolidation. I believe it's a small consolidation on the daily time frame. You can see we have a small consolidation there, and that's consolidation. It also looks like bearish flag on a lower time frame. Does this make sense that our price, if it breaks here, does this make sense that if our price breaks this level, we pushing towards the downside? I hope it does make sense to you guys, because that's exactly what I see. But if it doesn't make sense to you, you can also find, you don't have to always rely on my information to think that I'm gonna give you all the perfect information. I can be wrong. I'm a human. I'm not the machine. I cannot predict the market, but one thing that I can tell you is, I cannot tell exactly where the market is going, but I'm predicting. I'm doing the analysis, technical analysis, to see where the price might be going. You see, we had this bearish, bearish channel, bearish trend. Let me use the trend lines, as we are on trend lines trader channel. You see, the price was bearish previous days, and the price broke out of this area right here to give us this channel, and this is our pullback. Now the price is giving us this type of retest. Let's hope it will push towards the downside to continue with that type of pattern that we saw. Let's go to the lower time frame and be able to see where we are going with this. Let me reset the channel, so that the chart, so that we can be able to push. You see what I was talking about? Let's go to 4-hourly time frame. I pushed. You see what I was talking about when I was saying we might have a bearish flag. Look at this. This is our bearish flag. If you don't believe me, let's look at the line chart. One thing that I like, I want to look all types of, all angles. I want to look or check all angles before I can say, you know what, I made a decision here, I made a sell here because of this. But I want to be sure before I want to say this is my my flag. I believe the price will continue. This is my bearish flag. I believe the price will continue consolidating, especially during the night, during the time of the night, or during the time of the morning in South Africa. Because remember, I'm in a South African time zone, and in the US it's just about to get the afternoon time zone. So you can see that our bearish flag is forming. We will, if the price break around this area, if the price breaks this support zone, we're gonna see the price pushing towards the downside. But I don't make the market move, or the market doesn't follow my instructions. I believe that there are market movers out there. If they don't want to push it down, they might push it towards the upside. But usually when we trade the patterns, you will find your bearish flag being a continuation of bearish trend. So that's what I foresee when I do my analysis. Another thing that confirms that we might be pushing towards the downside, it's this thing right here. I hope it's very visible. I hope you guys are able to see that. If you don't see it, or if you don't know what is it, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell just right next to the subscribe button, so that you can be notified every time I upload the video. This is our double top, ladies and gentlemen, our double top. You know what is a double top? Double top is another pattern that we usually use, or on a technical analysis, on a technical trading side, not fundamentals. On the technicals, we always use this type of patterns and those head and shoulders, whatnot. As you can see, we had a shoulder here on the lower time frame. That was our left shoulder, our head, and our right shoulder, and the price pushed towards the downside. Does it also make sense? I hope it does make sense to you guys. I'm not gonna be on the head and shoulder for a very long time. All I want is for you guys to understand this is my left shoulder and this is my head. As you can see, this was my right shoulder, and the price pushed towards the downside. Is it visible? Is it visible enough that the head and shoulder is a pattern that shows that the price is about to push towards the downside? I hope you guys get it. Let's go to another lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame and be able to tell where is the price going. I hope you guys are able to see that on 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, this confirms our consolidation. As you can see, the price came and then came to this level, or this support, created the support zone and pushed towards the upside and didn't manage to break this area. It gave us the resistance, and you can see it was consolidating around this area and pushed towards the upside to retest, and didn't manage to break. As it pushed towards the downside, gave us the fake break, and it went back inside the range, and now we expect it to push towards the downside before we see the actual break. If it doesn't break on the support, we might see our price, let me clean this, we might see our price pushing towards the upside if it breaks the resistance. That's the thing about the consolidation. That's the thing about the range. The range, you will never know exactly where it will break, whether it breaks there or whether it breaks from the zone. But according to this flag on the bigger time frame, we have to expect the bearish trend or bearish continuation. Thank you very much for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you do like the information that I'm providing you guys, and please do like the video. If you like this content, a thumbs up please, and then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell just right next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I thank you.